Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a mockup in Canva. So first open Canva and open a blank page. Now head over to Elements and type in Mockups here. Choose the type of mockups you want. For example, I'm going to choose a shirt mockup here. Add it to the page. Let's make it a little bigger. Our mockup design, for example, let's choose an image here. Go back to Elements and search for banana, for example, and your mockup image will be successfully added. So if we can choose other mockup types, for example, one circle mockup, or phone mockup, or any other mockups you want. The bottle mockup here. So, we have the choice to add many available mockup types. This is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, consider to subscribe, like, and share our content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.